What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? I hope y'all having a beautiful Friday. Today Friday, right, man? I've been so busy, I don't even know what. Yeah, Friday, March 29th. Man, I've been busy, man. But anyway, man, how y'all been, man? How y'all been? How y'all been holding up out there? How y'all been holding up, man? Woo! Hey, I've been busy, man. Busy. And I've been getting it done, though. Yep, I have been getting it done. Today is Friday. It's a lovely Friday, a beautiful Friday. Great thing happened today for me, okay? My authority went active today. Myself a pat on the back, man. Yes, man. The video y'all about to watch is probably gonna be kind of everywhere, man. I've been trying to record as I get stuff done. It's a multi-day video from getting the truck ready and then the paperwork. I don't think I put the paperwork in there, that video. But man, let me tell y'all something. Paperwork for owner operators is ridiculous, man. That is ridiculous. Man, there's so much paper, man. You got to hire somebody for all that, man. I done touched so much paperwork throughout this process, but you know, I hope it be a rewarding, a rewarding after process. You know what I'm trying to say. I hope it's rewarding. As much paperwork and money you got to put into this. I'll do one of them videos later to show y'all how much it took to get everything. But it's finally over, man. It's finally over. Without further ado, man, let's get into the video. Good morning, Paper Trail family, Paper Trail gang, whatever you call yourselves, you know. And exactly what I said. It is a good morning, man. Might have not been a good week. Well, it's definitely been a tough week. But hey, we're gonna look at the better side of things, man. Let me tell y'all, man. Paperwork. This paperwork with getting your own authority is ridiculous, man. I did not know the amount of paperwork it takes to get everything already set up. You gotta have this, you gotta have that, you gotta have this, you gotta have that, you gotta run over here. Bro, it's driving me insane. Since I got the truck, and that'll be the last video I uploaded is when I got the truck. I've been trying to get that sucker compliant since I got it, man. Since that video. The DMV or DPS, man, they keep saying I needed this, I needed that, I needed this. I kept changing from combination plates. Then I didn't want to limit myself, so I changed it to a portion. The title just came in last week. But anyway, yesterday I finally got everything done. And I left out the DMV with my apportion tags. So I'm super excited about that. I got my tags. Now today, what I'm gonna be doing is going to get a DOT inspection on the truck. $40. And we gonna keep on rolling, man. You know, I ain't know it was $40, you know, but I thought it would have been way higher since it's a commercial vehicle. But hey, I'm not mad at it. So that's what we're doing right now. Like, so I'm headed to the truck. My allergies is bad, so my voice might sound a little different. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go get this DOT inspection knocked out. Hopefully I go grab the stickers today if they finish them. I don't know, but I have to wait on my MC number because I don't know what that is, to be honest. I think they're gonna give me all that once they grant my authority. So I know that's gonna take a few days, but yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing today. This really was a quick update because I know I haven't updated y'all since I got the truck. She just been sitting, man. She just been sitting. So y'all might be able to go with me today, you know. Pull up here. So yeah, let's get all crunk up and go from there. Alright, y'all. So we about to go and get this DOT inspection. Wish me luck, man. Just made it up here, so let's check in. Hey, how's it going, man? I called about a DOT inspection.
Okay, so through that gate, check your service door on the left-hand side.
All right.
Come this way. Okay, you go right through here. There's a service desk right there on the, go through that door, service desk is on your left.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Let him out.
Get in on there.
Hello. Hey, I came for a DOT inspection. Okay, that's fine. Do I need to?
Have you been here before?
No.
No. What's the company's name?
All right. So yeah, we got about an hour. All the guys are on lunch. Got like an hour wait time. I'm excited. This is semi the last step versus getting a authority granted, which they've already submitted it to the FMCSA. And I know that takes about 21 days or up to 21 days. But once I get it granted, you know, by the time I get it granted, I'll be on vacation. Me and my fiance going to Jamaica for the first time, so that's very exciting. And then it's gonna be go time. It's gonna be go time. Once we get back, it's gonna be time to go. I'm excited, man. So yeah, I'll catch you guys after the inspection. All right, y'all. So, great news. Passed both of them. Let me cover this up. Yeah, great news. Passed it. That's the federal one. And also, that's a state one. So both passed. Last thing I have to do, sticker it up, and wait on my authority. Yeah. Yeah, she gave me everything. I'm good.
I didn't see you going there.
Oh. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm the shop manager. I'm really busy, and I was like, shit, did I talk to you?
Oh, nah, you good, man.
I've got so much going on right now.
Y'all got me out of here pretty quick, man.
That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah, I love it. So,
Came at lunch.
yep. And still got out here at a good time, so I definitely will be back, you know.
If you come at the wrong time, it may be an hour or so, but we'll get that.
All right.
You have a good one.
All right, you too, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. So all I have to do now is put this thing in my DOT binder, which I'm slowly getting together. I'll get in there. I think this paper is too big. I think it's too big. Oh, maybe not. Alright. What the other paper look like? Yeah. So yeah, that's my invoice. It's all coming together, man. That noise is loud.
One day later.
All right, you guys, we done made it up here. Back to sign ideas. I said I'm excited. let's get these decals put on and see what's next for us. Be right back. So I'll put the company name right there. This is where the old unit number used to be from the fleet that had it before. Go back right there. And the USDOT number and MC right here. So on both sides. I haven't got an official logo yet, but he's gonna work on me one. They do it custom, so yeah. That look good, man.
Yep.
Shit. That looks good. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. All right, so yeah, as y'all can see, I got the truck ready, got all the paperwork ready. I'm still at my current job right now because there's actually two other pieces I have to wait on. So I did some research. Before I made my choice. And I decided on ELDs, it was out of the Omnitrax and the Keep Trucking. Both of them have a few bad reviews, but the most popular one to me, it seems that everyone goes with the Keep Trucking, which is now known as Motive. So I put in my order. It comes in about like 3. I put in that order today. They say it comes within 3 business days. So I'm gonna wait on that before I even get in it and start rolling for real. You guys will be there to see the process of me, installing that, or I might get somebody else to install. I don't know yet, but I am waiting on that. Y'all just don't know how excited, how proud I am of myself to finally get this thing done. Man, I sit here, I just think about all the paperwork, man. Back and forth to the DMV, back and forth. You got this, you need to go get that. You got that, you need to go get this. Man, it's crazy. It's a whole roller coaster, but I got it done. At least to say the least, I did get it done. In April, probably when I'm gonna hang my boots up here at AT&T. It's been a nice ride. Met a lot of people. Did a lot of networking. You know, especially meeting different customers. You meet truck drivers, fleet owners, and all that. But me, see this. I'm gonna jump off subject real quick. Well, it's not really off subject, but this the thing to me. Everybody telling me to go this route, then go that route, and I just summed it all up, sucked it all in, and I said, you know what? I want to be an owner-operator. That's what I set out to do. That was my biggest goal. So I said I'm gonna go the owner-operator way. I was gonna lease my truck to Landstar, which a lot of people say is a good company, but then they say something about how heavy their loads be. And then I had Amazon in mind, so like I just got my authority. So on down the road, if the owner-operator thing don't go, then I might just have to. And that's what I have to do, then that's what I'm gonna do. But to start off, I want to be an owner-operator. So I'm gonna go my own route, see what that does for me. Hopefully it's a success, and hopefully it takes me to to places I never imagined I'll be. So yeah, just a quick little short update for y'all, so I can let y'all know where I'm at, how's it going, and the progress. But expect some more of me. Yeah, expect a whole lot more. Yeah, expect a whole lot more of me. With that being said, y'all stay blessed. Continue to comment. Continue to like. I hope to get a lot more. I hope to get a lot more subscribers and viewers, because it's about to go down. Yeah. It's about to go down, man. You don't want to miss it. So I'll see y'all along the way, man. Paper Trail out.